All right, so domain and range here. Domain, remember, is the x values. Range is the y values. Let's do those first, x and y. All right, so the domain, all the x values, looking at the axis here. So if you look at the x values here, they obviously, the graph keeps going. So you have all the x values over here. And the x values keep happening until you get to right there. All right, so the x values are going to start at negative infinity, and they all are on that graph. And they're going to travel over, and they go to 5. There's a closed dot on 5. So that means it gets a bracket because it goes all the way to 5, and it doesn't have an open circle at the end of that. The range are all the possible y values you can get. All right, so again, these are a little bit harder here. So the smallest y value on this graph is going to be down here at that point, which is right there at -8. And it's a filled in circle. So it's going to be -8. And then these go up here, and they keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. The y values are going up and up and up and up and up, and there doesn't appear to be an asymptote. So even though they're going to go up slowly, they're going to keep going up. So as that goes, the x value gets smaller, the y value keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So it's going to go to infinity very, very slowly, but it'll keep going up. All right, so then end behavior, it says as x goes to negative infinity, y goes to, we just figured that out for the range, y goes to infinity. Now, these don't always match. All right, your end behavior doesn't always match, but a lot of times they'll help you out. Okay, I skipped what kind of function type it is. This is a radical. All right, you can tell because it has a starting point. It kind of looks like half of a sideways parabola. The last one says find all x such that m of x equals -2. That means, hey, y is -2. What the heck is x? Well, y is -2 at that point right there, which is -7, -2. So that means -7. And it's never going to have that value again because it just keeps going up and it doesn't ever come back down.